Hi, thanks for coming over. Today's project is the master bedroom. But first, we got a lot of snow and ice. And what kind of mom would I be if I didn't let the kids go out and play in it first? So they got their e-learning done, ran outside and had a lot of fun in the snow, building forts. And once we got that out of our system of enjoying the snow, we came back inside and it's time to get to work. So I'm gonna go get my gloves on, my shoes on, and round up the family so we can get started. So the first thing we had to do was we had huge nails, very long, deep into the wood, and the wood on the exterior of this house, since it's so old, is so hard. I couldn't use a hammer to get it out. I had to use these.
Did you just do this one?
I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet at all.
Mr. Rogue here. So apparently, we need to have a lesson on shimming. These shims are twofold. For this old plaster and lap house, plaster and lap creates too much of a depth. So for the drywall to bring it out even with the window trim and everything else, we need to add shims. I'm also adding shims because the drywall screws are too weak, and when they screw into this old timber, they tend to snap. So that's why we do that.
This is definitely not cut out for Mom.
Yes, this is definitely not cut out for her. One, she's afraid of heights, and two, she doesn't have the strength to screw these into the old lumber.
And I'm sure you're wondering, why did we put insulation on the interior of our walls? Well, since the TV is on the other side of that wall, or will be, we're gonna need some kind of sound barrier because I go to bed a lot sooner than everybody else. So I wanted to make sure that we put insulation in the walls to help with the noise.
What'd you say, Mom?
Mom can do stuff, that's what Mom said.
Okay, just real quick, I wanted to jump on here and say thank you for watching my video. Also, I wanted to share a goal that I have. I would really like to get to 1,000 subscribers by June 2022. Now, why did I pick 1,000? That's because I can monetize my channel at that time. So it would really mean a lot to me if you subscribe to my channel. Also, if you could give me a thumbs up or comment below, that provides quite a bit of interaction on my video and YouTube picks up on that. So once they see a lot of interaction on my video, they start to push it to the top for more views. I would really appreciate it and I hope you can help me meet my goal. Thanks. Okay, now back to the master bedroom renovation. Last big ceiling piece. We can do it.
I'm telling you, Mom, this is a lost cause.
I'm good at designing, but the work. Broken. This room was a little more challenging, but the master is finally done. Next up, the dining room.
Dinner smells good. And we're on, and 3, 2, 1. Oh.